So we're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this month we have another Ipsy Glam bag unboxing for November. This is November 2019. So first thing first, we have the Royal Langnickel Moda Pro Glow Brush. It is in BMX 265 Glow. And now we have a beautiful animal printed patterned bag, Ipsy Glam bag. It's a brown and pink. It's very pretty. I wouldn't really think of this as a fall thing, but I know that prints are coming back in fashion. You see a lot of persons, a lot of celebs wearing prints, so it's fitting. It's okay. Well, I just thought it would be more fall like, Thanksgiving like. But anyways, here are all the stuff. So first we have the Morad Essential C Day Moisturizer. It smells so amazing. It smells just like oranges. And then we have the Orza Beauty lipstick. It's a beautiful deep berry lipstick in color Opus. I was trying to show you the name, but it's upside down. I think I'll figure it out and turn it over. Oh, there we go. So, and then we have the MAC Cleanse Off Oil. So I was very excited for this. I was like, ooh, a brand that I know. I'm sure they've given me brands, big brands before, but this was the first brand I knew, so I was super happy about that. And in Pixie by Petra, it's a mineral duo in mineral bronze. So it's like a mineral bronzer. I don't really use bronzer. I have one bronzer that I really love, but I don't really bronze. So there's plastic on this, so I couldn't get it open. So I'll show you swatches later. So they send you a little card. It tells you what's inside. So this was this month's bag. I don't really have any complaint. It's very different, very kind of out of my comfort zone, except for the lipstick. It's pretty much me. So here's the lipstick. The first thing is the lighter shade bronzer, then the darker shade bronzer, and the lipstick with the flash on. This is without the flash, so just so you can kind of get an idea. The lipstick is very pretty. I will be showing you a picture of me wearing the lipstick. There you go. Yes, I look ugly. Yes, it's not a good picture, but I wanted to show you what the lipstick looks like on my lips. This is a very beautiful deep berry color. So this is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll leave the correct names and everything in the description, so you can go and check that out if you'd like. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye bye.